Welcome to Switzerland, where snow-capped peaks kiss the sky, turquoise lakes shimmer in the sun, and timeless villages whisper stories of centuries past. This is a land where nature's brilliance and human harmony coexist in breathtaking beauty. Switzerland's soul lives in its mountains. The Alps dominate the landscape and the imagination. From the iconic Matterhorn to the mighty Jungfrau, these peaks offer a playground for hikers, skiers, and dreamers alike. Switzerland is home to over 1,500 lakes, each more stunning than the last. Whether it's the deep blue of Lake Geneva, the mirror-like calm of Lake Lucerne, or the turquoise beauty of Lake Brienne's, water here is poetry. Step into the heart of Switzerland's villages, where wooden chalets, cobbled lanes, and flower boxes paint a picture of serene tradition. Places like Grindelwald, Appenzell, and Soglio preserve a way of life that feels like a fairy tale. Even in its cities, Switzerland blends old-world charm with modern elegance. Geneva's cosmopolitan flair, Zurich's vibrant culture, Lucerne's medieval bridge. Each city is a living canvas of history and innovation. Three languages, one identity. Switzerland is a tapestry of cultures. German, French, Italian, all blending into a peaceful unity. From yodeling and alphorns to cheese fondue and chocolate, tradition is a way of life here. Switzerland is not just to be seen, it's to be lived. Hike across alpine meadows, raft down glacier-fed rivers, cycle past vineyards, or ride the world's most scenic trains. Every journey here is an adventure. From spring blossoms to summer trails, autumn golds to winter wonderlands, Switzerland transforms with each season. It's a country made for every traveler, every mood, every month. Switzerland is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a deep breath of clean air, a quiet moment by a lake, a memory etched against mountain skies. Come, discover Switzerland and carry its beauty with you forever.